Ymlaen â ni I ran 2. Part 2. In this part of the unit, we're going to look at byddwn ni. We will be. Byddwch chi. You will be. Formal, plural. Byddan nhw. They will be. Let's practice. Look out for the linking word, that gluey yn. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Repeat after me. Byddwn ni'n gweithio heno, ond byddwch chi'n gweithio yfory. Byddwn ni'n mynd am dro ar ôl cinio, ond byddwch chi'n mynd am dro ar ôl swper. Byddwn ni'n gwneud gwaith papur yfory, ond byddan nhw'n gwneud gwaith papur heno. Byddwn ni'n teithio ar y bws yr wythnos nesaf, ond byddan nhw'n teithio ar y bws yr wythnos hon. Now, we're going to ask some questions. As previously mentioned, the answers respond to the verb used in the question. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Fyddwn ni'n mynd I gyfarfod yr wythnos nesaf? Byddwn. Na fyddwn. You could also answer yes you will be, with a you here being plural. Byddwch. Na fyddwch. Fyddwch chi'n teithio ar y trên i'r gwaith? Byddwn. Na fyddwn. If you were using chi here to show respect to an individual, their answer would be bydda. Na fydda. Fyddan nhw'n cael coffi I yfed? Byddan. Na fyddan. You could also ask questions beginning with beth, meaning what, and pryd, meaning when. Remember that there's a soft mutation after beth. Beth fyddwn ni'n wneud yn y cyfarfod? Byddwn ni'n gwrando ar y bos. Beth fyddwch chi'n wneud yfory? Byddwn ni'n trefnu cyfarfod. Pryd byddan nhw'n e-bostio nôl? Byddan nhw'n e-bostio nôl heddiw, gobeithio. Bendigedig. Now, complete the following activities and remember that you can always watch this video again to practice. Pob hwyl!